Yeah, good day everyone. This is Fatima's World. Thank you for walking this walk with me as well. But my subscribers are not enough. Please subscribe, share, like, tell people about Fatima's World. Fatima's World is basically about relationships, marriages, the home, the children, how to be better people in the society and how to turn out better children in the society. Today I'll be talking about something that is very, very disturbing to me. As a mother, firstly, and then again as somebody who is in the eye of the public. I'm a politician, so I'm going to be talking about the level of moral decadence in the society. And I was discussing with somebody a couple of days ago. I said to them, the social media world, does it have a positive or a negative effect on the youths? I'm not too sure what response I want to give to this, but I want to say that for parents who have very young adolescent children, please, it is time for us to keep an eye on what these children watch. I stumbled into some video, a while back, and it was a video of children less than 13 having threesome. That broke my heart, and I'm wondering where exactly were their parents when they had access to watch, to get to a porn site and to watch this thing it's disturbing. The other day, what was trending was some actress in Ghana. She was stark naked, and then she had her son just wearing pants. And I'm wondering, tomorrow she stands and say, "Oh yes, I stand for I'm blending my voice. I'm going to say that, oh, no to rape." But what have you done? What morals have you instilled and inculcated in your boy? Now you have given your boy a reason to have very strange desires. The boy is going to grow up with wanting to desire the nakedness of women because that is what you have taught him to do. Mothers especially, I want to speak to us today. What moral values are we teaching our daughters? Are we teaching our sons? It is getting so bad on a daily basis. All the murders, all the rape cases, all the suicide, all of these things are all enmeshed in one. It starts from the home. My Bible says that train up a child in the way that he will go. It says when he grows, he will not depart. Even when he attempts to depart, his foundation is key. That's why the Bible says that if the foundation is faulty, what can the righteous do? Mothers, we have the larger percentage of work to do in the lives of our children. These days I go on the internet and then you see young girls who are barely teenagers, they're talking about sex in a pervert manner. And then you're wondering the things that they say out of their mouth. There were dance steps that existed while I was growing up. You dare not dance it before my mother. The look she would give you. My mother's eyes would make you look at yourself like you're bare. I'm wondering whatever happened to the values of you must get married a virgin. These things just seem to be old school. They seem to be archaic. I disagree with this. Oh yes, there are other things that the internet has taught the children to learn. If we didn't even have the internet, there wouldn't even have been online schooling. But I'm saying that the disadvantages is outweighing the advantages. Mothers, I want to implore us today, please, keep an eye on your growing children. Keep an eye on your teenage children. Keep an eye on even your adolescent children. We can start to change, the change that we want and we're clamoring for. That change can begin with you and I. Thank you so very much. This is all I would say. I want to prick your conscience this afternoon on Fatima's World. Please, do not forget as mothers, but mothers of the nation, we should build children who would in turn become very good ambassadors. Thank you very much. God bless you.